appetizers are already being served, tuloy-tuloy na po tayo sa ating tingin sa camera and smile. Alright, after slicing it, put it on the saucer and join me back here on the center stage. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bagong kasal on their cake cutting tradition. And after that, newlyweds, please come and join me back here. Alright. So, may paniniwala kasi kami, sir, na kung sino yung kakain ng mas malaking part ng slice, siya yung unang na in love. So, we will be having our quick interview on how your love story began. So, nag-argue na po sila. Ito po ang kanilang unang away bilang mag-asawa. Okay, kung sino ang kakain ng mas malaking part ng cake, siya ang unang na in love. But, to know kung sino siya, magtatanungan muna tayo. Saan kayo unang-unang nagkakilala?
Sa bahay ng kaibigan.
Bahay ng kaibigan. Sino ang unang nagpapansin?
Hindi na po tinatanong yun.
Ang ganda talaga ni Brad. Pag ito kakaganda, di mo na ako tinatanong yun naman kasi. Ano ang first impression mo, groom, when you saw the beauty of our bride?
Siya yung tinadhana.
Palakpakan naman natin. Short and meaningful answer. Siya na daw ang tinadhana. Parang na-love at first sight ka.
Actually, siya yung nauna.
Bride, pakilinaw ha, nakikinig yung tatay mo. Ikaw daw ang na-love at first sight. Totoo ba yon?
Hindi po.
Sino ba magbabayad sa akin dito para doon ako a-agree? Okay, ikaw naman, bride. Di ba, when he first saw you, naramdaman niya na ikaw yung destiny niya. Ano naman ang first impression mo nung nakita mo si groom?
Sa totoo lang po, unang expression ko sa kanya, masungit.
Masungit. Pero eventually, paano mo napatunayan na it's the other way around?
Nung nakasama ko na siya, mabait naman pala siya. Tsaka mapagmahal.
Ay, palakpakan naman dati. Tawang-tawa si Ninong. Sino ang unang nag-I love you?
Siya po.
Oh, sir, dahil ikaw ang unang nag-I love you, subuan mo si bride nung maliit na part ng cake. Just the tiny piece of the cake. The other one, isusubo mo yan kay bride. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Palakpakan naman natin si bride. And this time, lahat ng natira, pati ang platito at tinidor, isubo mo kay groom. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and go. And groom, nakita mo ba yung icing sa gilid ng labi ni bride? Tatanggalin mo yan gamit ang halik. 1, 2, 3, and... Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating bagong kasal. Maraming salamat. And moving forward, may I request our best man and the maid of honor to lead us with the wine toast. A big round of applause for Mr. Ellery Paz and Miss Abigail Villaruel. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Leia and Sir Edgar. First of all, syempre, congratulations to both of you. And ang masasabi ko lang is, as you start your married life, sana yung love na nakita nyo sa isa't isa from the start ay ganoon din hanggang sa pag-uwi ninyo sa inyong tahanan. At pagyabungin ninyo yung pagmamahal na meron kayo sa isa't isa. Yun lang. Congratulations again.
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank each and every single one of you for coming here tonight. And at the same time, I would like to congratulate my brother and Leia as well. And at the same time, what else is there to say other than life is what you make of it. It's kind of like, as Forrest Gump stated, it's like a box of chocolate. You never really know what you're going to get. And look at what happened to my brother now. He got the better chocolate now. That's it.
O, diba? Usapang tsokolate pala to, diba? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating best man and the maid of honor. And everyone, may I request all of you to please raise your wine glasses. Kahit po tubig or juice ang naman. Everyone, raise your wine glasses and cheers for our newlyweds. Intertwine ang arms ng ating newlyweds, bride and groom. Hold your wine glass with your right hand and cross. Okay, you may now sip your wine. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bagong kasal. Sabi nga, ang buhay may asawa ay parang wine. Sometimes bitter, sometimes sweet, pero habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap. Palakpakan